Good afternoon. Today we're going to do a little experiment to see if we can kill some crabgrass. I have the grass in front of my home looking pretty nice, but here behind my home I'm dealing with some crabgrass in a few different areas, and so I purchased something. I don't know if it will work, but we're going to find out together. Based on some of the reviews I've read online, I decided to buy a bottle of this concentrate. It's Greenlight's Wipeout Crabgrass Killer Plus. And it's a concentrate. Supposedly it works really well. You can see that it comes in a sealed bag here, which is kind of funny, but I can understand why, because it smells rather strong, even though it's in a bag here and I haven't opened it up yet. I can smell it, and it's noticeably giving off a scent here, an odor. I don't really mind the smell, but I'm assuming most people probably would. We're gonna mix it in a tank sprayer here. I already have it filled with a gallon of water, and I'm also going to put in a squirt of some Dawn dishwashing liquid, and the reason I'm going to do that is because this is a surfactant, which means it will help the crabgrass killer stick to the crabgrass and not run off. So you just put, you know, a squirt, so maybe a tablespoon of Dawn dishwashing liquid in with a gallon of water, and usually that helps whatever you're spraying to stick. So let's see how this works. Now, I opened the package here, and you can see on the directions for use that this says if you're using it for a spot treatment, mix 2 fluid ounces in a gallon of water. If you're mixing it with a pressure sprayer, which is what I'm doing, I'll be mixing 5 ounces with a gallon of water. By the way, I should say that I shook this up before pouring it here, but here we go. 5 ounces in this measuring cup. There we go, 5 ounces. And I already have the water here in the sprayer. So there we go. And now let's put just a squirt of Dawn. Oh, all right. And now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna shake this up and then we'll spray. All right, it's time to test this out. We're going to spray the crabgrass right now, and then we're going to monitor it and see how it does. Crabgrass up close here. You probably see that, naturally speaking, whenever you spray things on crabgrass, it tends to bead, but I'm noticing with the Dawn dish soap in this mix here that the beading is smaller than it normally is. Normally it beads a lot bigger, and I could tell that as a surfactant it's doing a good job. So spraying it on here, and again, we'll keep an eye on this, but I think that I can already tell that using Dawn dish soap is a good idea. It's been about 48 hours since I sprayed the crabgrass killer on the lawn, and I do believe I'm seeing some yellowing now of the crabgrass. I'll give you a closer look here on some of the areas that I highlighted earlier. This was the main area that I was showing in the video, and I do see some change in color, so we'll keep you posted. Well, today's Tuesday, and I sprayed the crabgrass on Saturday. What do you think? Is the crabgrass killer working? I think so. That's the darkest spot. You can see some of these other areas here where I sprayed, how it's obviously changing color, and crabgrass is dying off quickly. So we'll keep filming in coming days here, but I just want you to see the progress along the way. Today is Wednesday, and some of the areas that were still a bit yellow yesterday are becoming dark brown, like the spot I showed you in yesterday's clip. So today is Thursday. It's been a few days now since I first sprayed this product on the lawn, and as you can see, it did a great job. So I will be a regular user of the Greenlight Wipeout Crabgrass Killer. That concentrate did an excellent job. I think it very much helped to utilize the Dawn dish soap as a surfactant. It really helped the crabgrass killer to stick to the crabgrass instead of running off. What I'm going to be doing here in the near future is I'm going to be scalping my lawn and reseeding it. But one of the things that I'm grateful for is that the crabgrass killer did not kill the good grass here in the lawn. So if this was helpful for you, if this was useful, I'd appreciate if you'd give this video a thumbs up. Also, I will put links to the best prices on Amazon for the crabgrass killer and also for the Dawn dish soap in concentrated form. I'll just make sure that there's links to that in the description of the video. But it's been a long time that I've been trying to kill this crabgrass, and everything I had tried in the past did not work, but this actually worked. So I wanted to share it with you, and I hope it's helpful for you if you're trying to do this in your lawn as well. Thanks.